In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge videos on Vimeo. Whether you're creating a seamless montage of clips for a presentation or piecing together various moments to tell a story, merging videos can significantly enhance the narrative you're trying to convey. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, head over to vimeo.com and log into your account. If you're not already registered, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you have an account, the login page should look familiar. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard that showcases your options. The important thing here is to ensure your videos are ready for editing, which leads us to the next step. If your videos aren't already uploaded to Vimeo, you'll need to do that next. Click on the upload button and choose the video files from your computer that you want to work with. It's a straightforward process, just like attaching a file to an email. With your videos uploaded, let's proceed to the fun part, merging them. Start by selecting one of the videos you'd like to merge from your uploads. Open this video to get started with editing. You'll see various options for managing and editing it. What you want to do here is access the editing menu, and from there head straight to the video editor. The video editor is your main hub for all editing actions, making it easy to combine and modify your content. Now you want to bring in the other video you'd like to merge. How do you do this? Simply dive into your uploads or library to find the additional video, or you can even select one from Vimeo's extensive stock footage collections if it's applicable. Once you've found the video, it's time to drag and drop it into the video editor. This method is intuitive and mimics arranging files on your desktop, keeping things clean and simple. After both videos are in the editor, it's time to focus on the sequence. You need to arrange the videos in the correct order on the timeline to ensure your final product flows smoothly, just the way you envisioned it. Now that they are in place, you might find it's necessary to trim or edit the clips for a more polished finish. This step is crucial in maintaining a professional presentation. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement and any edits you've made, it's time to save your work. Click Save and Continue to combine the videos into a single file seamlessly. It is important to review your merged video to ensure everything looks perfect. When everything is just right, go ahead and click Publish. Finally, with your new video ready to go, you have the option to download it for offline use or share it directly from Vimeo to your desired platforms. And there you have it, you've successfully merged videos on Vimeo. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're feeling confident to start editing your own videos in a creative way. Thanks for watching.